So today we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy M30. This is the gradation black version, and here we have the 464 version of this. So looking at the specifications, these are some of the key highlights of this phone. It's having Infinity U display with over 90% screen to body ratio as the company claims. This is having a triple camera setup, a 5000 mAh battery, and all these specification you can pause the video and have a look. So it says Samsung Galaxy M30 and nothing special. Let's unbox it and have a quick look. And again, this is the 464 and black gradation version. This is the gradation black and not the gradation blue one. So let's unbox it. So it says Indian SIM card only. Basically, you can put an international SIM card, but in the initial boot process, you need to put in an Indian SIM card and then activate the phone by using it 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can put in another SIM card. So let's break this seal. Yes. So first we have some paperwork. Let's see, it's the basic. Yeah, it's the warranty card, quick start guide, and stuff like that. Okay. So nothing in here. Then we have the phone itself. Okay. Initial impressions, it's not very heavy, it's moderately heavy. So peeling off the plastic. Okay. I'll peel it off. So let's give this phone aside for a minute, and then we have the standard Type C cable. As this one is having a Type C port, as you can see. Yes. Um, then we have the this has a power output of about 15 watts. So Samsung claims that this can charge this phone a bit faster. And then we have the SIM ejector pin, which is like CIH sealed inside. So nothing like anything more. So let's see if it has some amount of juice left in it. It looks good, having a triple camera setup. First one is a primary camera, second one is a depth sensor, and third one is a 5 megapixel wide angle camera, fingerprint sensor, then flash. On the top we have secondary noise cancellation mic, and on the left side of the phone we have the SIM tray, our favorite headphone jack, the Type C port, and this is a speaker grill. So, and the standard power buttons and volume rockers. So booting it up, yeah, it says Samsung Galaxy M30. And guys, this one is having a 6.4 inch 1080p Super AMOLED display, and it looks nice. So as you can see, this has booted up now. So let's fast forward the video and I'll take you after the boot process has completed. Okay, allow location information. Okay, allow. Mm, the photo looks good. Yes, and the ultra wide is able to capture at 123-degree wide angles. So yeah, the touch response seems to be good. So guys, this was the initial impressions and hands-on overview for the Samsung Galaxy M30. Hope you like this video. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.